Welcome to Grey Network. So let me walk you through how to mine Grey Airdrop. So I'll be leaving a link for you in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself on the registration page. So here you have to provide your email address, choose a username, password, confirm password, check this box to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. And you click on create account. Account is created. Now you have to log in to continue. Provide your username or email address and the password you choose and you click on login. So I've successfully logged in, and here on the dashboard the start mining button is here. So you tap here and I've entered the mining session. Countdown timer is running already. So what's good, looks like you can mine on the web page or you can download the app. You have the option to do that, but for the meantime let me close this. That's a notification for the app. So here there is virtual reference, get referral power. So there is the daily limit, instant grade claims, coming soon. Let's see my team. I haven't referred anyone. It says share your link to your Grey team and earn instant 50 Grey. The current mining rate including referral bonus is 1 Grey per hour. I haven't referred anyone actually, so there is no referral bonus for me. Let's check the leaderboard. So this is where you see people doing the most on the platform, right? This is global ranking. So this is it. Someone already has 7,000 Grey to their credits. Chat. So they actually have chat here where you can message. We are in Grey room. There is the community, there is DM, there's team updates. Nice. And then there is wallets here. Alright, so you can actually create a wallet here. We provide your username, account password, that's your Grey account, and then we create a 4-digit PIN that you'll be used for transaction. Then you click on create wallet. Your key, your Grey key is being given. You do not want to lose this. We cannot recover your Grey key for you. If you lose it, you will permanently lose access to your funds, right? So you copy and keep your Grey key very safe. It is the only way to access your wallet on new devices or after logging out. And it also looks like anytime you step away from that wallet page and come back, you need to provide your Grey key to unlock your wallet. I didn't know this part. I have unlocked my wallet using my Grey key. This is my wallet. There is nothing here. So this is the wallet. I'm going through serious security to protect nothing. So let's go back to the home page and wrap this up. What else haven't we seen here? Daily sequence. Alright, so I just claimed 2 Grey for checking in. My balance has been updated with my 2 Grey. The ones I'm mining will come after my mining session has wrapped, I guess. Let's see the settings. So in the settings, you can change password, you can turn on push notification, and of course you can also find their social media pages here. So let's check their Facebook. Grey Network with a followership of 33, right? So the project is pretty new, so if you're just finding out, you are right in time. Jump on it, register, and start mining Grey, the institutional standard for decentralized digital asset distribution, right? Official ecosystem kickoff 1st of June 2026. Right, you might not go through all of this at your convenient time and pace to understand better what the project is about. Right? This is no financial advice, as I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.